The United States may be preparing for an even more aggressive military strategy against Iran. US President Donald Trump has claimed that American forces have already inflicted devastating damage on Iran's military capabilities over the past several days. His latest remarks suggest that Washington could go even further if Iran continues its actions. Speaking about the ongoing conflict, Trump said that the US military has virtually destroyed Iran in the past 11 days. According to him, Iranian defense systems have suffered massive damage. Trump claimed that Iran's air force has been wiped out, while its radar systems and anti-aircraft equipment are no longer functioning. He also said that the United States has significantly weakened Iran's missile and drone capabilities. Trump said Iran's missile strength has dropped by nearly 90%, while its drone capabilities have been reduced by about 85%. He further claimed that American forces are targeting and destroying the factories where these weapons are produced. In his words, the strikes have been relentless, hitting weapons production facilities left and right. While speaking about the US military strength, Trump also referred to earlier high-profile operations. He mentioned the killing of Iranian commander Qasem Soleimani and ISIS leader Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi, describing them as some of the most dangerous figures eliminated under his leadership. Trump also pointed to Operation Midnight Hammer, which he claimed completely destroyed Iran's nuclear potential. According to Trump, Iran no longer has the ability to develop nuclear weapons. He said the operation had totally obliterated Iran's nuclear potential. However, Trump added that despite these earlier actions, Iran eventually resumed its activities. The US president suggested that Washington may now have to take stronger action. Trump said the United States does not want to repeatedly return to military confrontation with Iran every few years. He added that the situation may require finishing it so that the conflict does not continue indefinitely. Trump's remarks come amid escalating tensions in the region, with the United States and its allies continuing military operations against Iranian targets. However, independent verification of the scale of damage claimed by Trump has not yet been confirmed. As the conflict evolves, the world is closely watching how the situation between the United States and Iran unfolds.